Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Faraj Kishanwari. I'm 30 years old and the student of High School Online Academy Foundation Level Basics. Today I want to talk about the TEDx talk of Cesar Iqbal, and the TEDx talk topic is how to build a new tomorrow for yourself. So let's start. Cesar Iqbal is a journalist and media strategist from Pakistan known for her work in television development, activism, and public speaking. In this talk, she reflects on personal growth, purpose, failure, and the roadmap for building a better future for oneself, a new tomorrow. Her central message is that tomorrow is built by what we do today, by our mindset, how we respond to setbacks, how we align daily actions with inner values, and by not being afraid of failure. She argues that many people misunderstand failure, chase acceptance from others, or live in a way where external approval dictates their path. Sidra argues the audience of shift perspective, accept failure as a part of journey, and focus on serving larger goals or communities. Here how the talk roughly unfold. She begins by sharing her own journey growing up in an upper middle class all girls household, which might seem smooth from outside but had its eternal hurdles. The The contradiction between external success of privilege and internal doubts or societal expectations that talks about how failure shaped her, not an opposite to success but as part of it. She emphasized the idea that failure gives insight to what you did wrong, where to improve, what values matter. She challenges the idea of always choosing acceptance and societal praise, which often means sacrificing personal choices or values. She points out dangers in go get it or hostile culture, where constant work, external metrics of success and sacrifice become glorified. She contrasts this with finding joy, happiness, and aligning work with values. She suggests that happiness does not always come after success, but the reverse can also be true. Happiness can foster success. She notes the power of words, both that others say to you and what you say to yourself. Self-talk, narratives, labels matter. She wants to self-sabotage when one tries to live by what other expects. The loss in is not just personal but potentially loss of one uniqueness. She offers that building a new tomorrow is not a big gesture but many small consistent steps, embracing failure, learning from it, being resilient, bouncing back after setbacks and not waiting for perfect conditions. She likely uses analogous one summary mentions. She compares for life setbacks to solar eclipse moment of darkness but temporary a cycle. Sidra places importance on serving something beyond just oneself, bigger purpose or community. She says that giving back or aligning actions with positive impact help access motivation, zeal, insight, inspiration. Her final words include a metaphor: if you want to shine like the sun, you first have to burn like the sun, meaning that hardship and sacrifice are part of the process towards something bright. Encouragement for listeners to see their failures not as shameful but as essential to start today, even if some are to choose their path rather than letting others define it. Thank you very much.